How to use Airtable for Project Management 2023 full tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Airtable for project management in 2023. Airtable is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you stay organized and on track with all of your projects. So, first of all, without further ado, we're going to go and get ourselves signed up. So it's a pretty easy sign up process. You're just going to come to their site. Okay, now once you're in their site, you're going to click on sign up for free. Now, once you click on sign up for free, you're going to choose your work email. I'm going to be using a temporary email for now, okay? But if you're doing this in the long run and you want to do this for real, do make sure to use a proper email for yourself. So once we have added all this information, let me just add in my password. There we go. And once you've added that, you're going to click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, what's going to happen is that they're going to take you to, the whole sign up process and all the other whatnots. So we're just going to wait for it to load us up into the whole process. And here we are. What team are you on? This will help us personalize your experience in Airtable. Now you can be in marketing, HR, product and design, etc. I'm going to go with engineering, okay? Or you know what? I'm going to go with IT and support. Who else is on your team? You can add people right now, but I'm going to skip that. Get up and running fast. Make your data more powerful by moving it into a table. You can also skip this if you want to. And here we go. Welcome. Let's get started. So basically, you can put in any project name. Doesn't really matter. Just enter whatever your project is. Choose a color that you like. Click on continue. Now it says, now we'll add some info. I'd like to track projects, teams, tasks. So you can add all these things in the projects you want to do: quarterly launch, customer research, campaign analysis, etc. So you're just going to do whatever you want. Click on continue. Great job. Let's keep going. For each project, I'd also like to track status, priority, start dates, etc. I'm going to go on those and click on continue. We'll handle it automatically. Automations make it easy to put workflows on autopilot. So basically you can automate it with anything like, Slack, weekly digest, or you can create your own workflow later if you want to. So I'm going to go with that. I'm going to click on continue. See your info in a new light. In addition to a grid, I'd also like to see my data as now the Kanban, gallery, and calendar mode. It's pretty good, but in my opinion, the Kanban just works best. So you're going to go with this and you're going to click on continue. Now, as you see, it took all that information from you. Now it's going to put you straight into the whole workspace. So here you are, and as we can see, we're on a trial. So I'm going to click on the cross section, and here we are. This is the Airtable workspace. To get started, let's take a quick look at the whole workspace. As you can see, it's organized into all these tables, which are similar to your spreadsheets, right? Because even if we were to go in, the grid view, go to this, let's say we're in the grid view, you can see all these tables. Then we go in the Kanban view and you can see all the data like this. So basically it's just data all together. So as we can see, it's just as if it's, implementing a spreadsheet from Excel. So you can create a table for each project and customize it with different fields to track the project's progress. So let's say you want to, basically these are fields and these are tables. So to add or create a table, you're just going to create it from here. Okay, let's say I'm going to create a calendar view. Okay, create new view. And then in this view, obviously you can add different fields if you want to. So as you can see, using date field, and you're just going to add more if you want to. Even in the Kanban view, you can add new field by clicking on new stack. In grid view, again, you can add new field by clicking on this plus icon. So you get the point. So for example, let's say in this project table, we have fields for the project name. So this is the name of the project. This is the status. This is the priority, start date. All of these are different fields in this project. You can add or remove fields as needed to fit your project's requirements as well. So let's say I'm going to go here and I want to remove the tags fields. I'm just going to go here. I'm going to click on delete field. Look at that. The field is deleted, and then again, if you want to add it again, just click on the plus icon and add whatever field you want. So I'm going to go with the phone number. I'm just going to add that. I'm going to click on create field, and as you can see, it created that field for me. So Airtable also has different views to help you visualize your data in different ways. The most commonly used for project management is the Kanban view that obviously I just showed you. Many many people and great businesses use this as their view. And basically, it allows you to move tasks from one status to another in like the easiest way possible, like from to do to done, uncategorize it to do to done, and progress to do. You get the point. And it's so simple and it's so easy. And obviously, there's like tons and more views like form view, calendar, gallery view, timeline view. You can like mess around with all of those if you want. Another great feature of Airtable for project management is the ability to filter your data. So if you go and filter over here, okay, you can filter your data if you want to. So I'm going to go in grid view. I'm going to go and filter. I'm going to like add condition where name, it's going to be in priority is select an option medium. We're just going to do that, and look at this. It's going to give all the medium, priority stuff in our table with our data. So you can filter by any field such as status or deadline to quickly see what tasks are due soon or which ones are behind schedule. Airtable also, as we discussed, has an amazing calendar view. So I'm going to create a calendar view. Okay. Now, once we have a calendar view, it's great for visualizing your project deadlines and schedules. Like, you can never miss a deadline with this, trust me. You can view your calendar by day, week, or month and easily see which tasks are due. So basically, you can like say today or monthly, 3 days a week, 2 week, month. You can view it as whatever you want. One of the best things about Airtable is that it's designed for collaboration. So you can even go and share this with your friends. And it has great collaboration features. You can invite team members, as I showed you, to your workspace and assign tasks to them. You can also leave comments and tag members to keep everyone in the loop. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is allotted to this. There's also an amazing mobile app that Airtable provides you with. So you can like get it on your app store or Play Store. Even like we're gonna write Airtable mobile app. And as you can see in the mobile app, you're gonna get all these features, same as the laptop. And trust me, works amazingly. I've used it, and I can guarantee you, like having a mobile app means you can manage your projects on the go. You can view and edit your data, leave comments, and assign tasks from your phone and tablet. So yeah, basically, that's about it. With Airtable's powerful features, you can easily manage all your projects in one place and collaborate with your team to get things done.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.